In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make videos by cursor and make explanation video like this.
What, need to wonder what happens inside an AI's brain when you ask it a question? It's not thinking like we do, but it's a fascinating process that unfolds in a split second. First, your question gets shattered into tiny digital pieces called tokens, the model's fundamental building blocks of language. The AI then scans these tokens, using patterns learned from reading trillions of words to understand your intent. Is it a question, a command, or a request for a story?
In fact, you must be familiar with a video like this, right? For example, like this after school YouTube channel already got 1 million subscribers, and the explanation video is so popular, and this channel probably earned a lot every month, and you can do it too. Another case study is this kind of the explanation video is quite popular on YouTube, and also recently I watched this a lot. So basically, if you can make an explanation video just like this, your content might go viral, and you can earn a lot from it. So today I'm gonna show you how to make those videos right inside the cursor. Yeah, I think this tutorial might be the first tutorial that covers using cursor to produce videos, right? Cursor is a very famous web coding tool. Yeah, this is a cursor. So usually we make websites by cursor, and you can make small apps or demos by cursor, right? But with a little bit of magic, you can even produce videos by cursor. Let me show you how. You might need a secret weapon. This is Golpo AI, and we're going to use some functionalities from it, connect to cursor, and then make our cursor AI video generator. So Golpo AI is something quite cool. This is a domain, video.golpoai.com, and it can produce basically AI whiteboard videos from any document or prompt, meaning that if you have any documentations or ebooks, you can convert all the contents into nice video. And for the styles like whiteboard animations, yeah, check out this one.
The year is 476 CE. A Germanic chieftain named Odoacer walks into the imperial palace in Ravenna and tells the last Western Roman emperor, a teenager ironically named Romulus Augustulus, that he's out of a job. And just like that, an empire that had dominated the known world for half a millennium was gone. Or was it? The fall of Rome isn't a single event. It's history's greatest cold case.
Okay, so usually you need to log in the platform and you can generate a video by it. But what if I don't want to open any platform? I want to generate video directly from the tools I'm very familiar with, which is Cursor, and you can also do that. So this AI provides Skill plugin for Claude Code. And if you search the internet, you can find a lot of tutorials that teach you how to use this tool, connect to your Claude Code, but no Cursor. So this video will be focused on how to use it in Cursor. But we can also get the benefit from this website. So basically, you can link this whiteboard animation generator to Claude Code by using the plugin. And this is a little complicated because you need to install Python and also deploy some environment. But I don't want to teach you how to do that because I want to keep it simple. Okay, so how will we do that? Let's open our cursor and let's open a project. Click the desktop. Let's click here, new folder, and let's type here. All right, click open. So this is a cursor, and you may notice that we are choosing the Composer 2.5, which is published by Cursor itself. And this model is so popular that Elon Musk recommended. And let's copy this link to our cursor, and then let's sign in this platform. Okay, and let's type. Let's directly click here. See, I don't want to spend a lot of time studying how to install it. I just directly ask AI to do it for me. And you can see AI says, I'm gonna set up the Golpo for cursor by checking your workspace. Okay, now the Golpo video skill is installed for cursor. Oh my God. And we might need to share my API key. So where to find it? Let's go to this website and you can sign in. After that, you can click here, API. API is like your key to your treasure box. So once you have it, you can keep it somewhere safe. Okay, let's click here, get started. And after that, you can click here, create API key. All right, this is my API key. I need to mask it. And let's click here. And after that, go back to your cursor. Hey, here is my API key. Yeah, and give it away to our AI. Hey, it works. So now you can see everything is set, and the AI asked me, do you want me to generate a task video now? And if your AI is not so smart, that's okay. You can click here and click API, and you can feed your AI with this link so that your AI will understand how the API works. But my AI just understands it now. So let's try our first video, okay? Okay, I'm so nervous. Let's see if AI can catch up my question and make a video based on it. Yeah, you can see it's still thinking. And you can find our agent is using our API. And let's give it a second. Okay, now my cursor says your video is ready and it's saved locally. Let's click here. Oh my god, what we have here. Let's click play.
What, need to wonder what happens inside an AI's brain when you ask it a question? It's not thinking like we do, but it's a fascinating process that unfolds in a split second. First, your question gets shattered into tiny digital pieces called tokens, the model's fundamental building blocks of language. The AI then scans these tokens, using patterns learned from reading trillions of words to understand your intent. Is it a question, a command, or a request for a story? Crucially, it considers the context, remembering what you've already discussed to keep its response relevant. Then, the core process begins. It doesn't write a whole answer at once. Instead, it predicts the single most statistically likely next word. It adds that word to the sequence and then predicts the next one and the next, building its entire response piece by piece. It's a high-stakes game of probability, assembling a coherent answer from a million possibilities.
Oh my god, now my cursor can generate video officially. And this video is quite cool. I can directly publish it to my YouTube channel, you know. And this Golpo AI is focused on whiteboard AI video generation. I think this is quite charming. And also you got this hosted URL that you can directly use. In fact, if you search how to install Golpo to your Claude Code, it is even more complicated. You need to install like Python, you need to install all kinds of the stuff. But my tutorial is quite simple, right? You just directly ask AI to helping you in every step, then you need to focus on the content. I guess so much for today. I hope you like today's content. And don't forget to like this video and also leave your comment. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye, my friend.
Hey, hey! Don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.